Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna take a minute to talk about the summon or the smart summon feature on the Tesla. So on your Tesla app, you have a map and you have like a crosshair. So you set a target and then you push on the button and the car will drive to you without a driver in it. It's really self-explaining. It's really easy to do. So the summon feature, it's designed to allow to move your Model Y to the location that you set. And the app, I mean, on the phone, your phone with the app on it, of course, has to be within 213 feet, so 65 meters or 213 feet of your Model Y, and then your car will come to you. The feature, it works well, but I don't think it's very useful because if there's traffic in the parking lot, you don't want to block them, because if someone walks in front of it or drives in front of it, it will break right away. Another thing you can do with summon is you can move your car in and out a parking spot, and that you do with the arrows on your app as well. Very easy to do, but if you need that feature or not, that's up to you. And the video you see right now is me trying it with my Tesla Model Y. It's a 22 model. All right, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share your opinion.